So basically we have this van from Phoenix Plumbing and Draining Services. They're a real good customer. They come in regularly to get their van maintained and serviced. They trust us. We do right by them every time. So I got this Sprinter here, and it's the brake pads were getting down very, very low, which tripped the brake sensor here and created a message on the dash. If you don't do basic maintenance, many things can go wrong. Worst case scenario, you lose your brakes. If you have no material to create contact with each other, there's no braking happening. And if it gets metal to metal, you'll start cutting into the rotors, and it's not good. Especially a work truck, it has a lot of miles, a lot of weight, there's tools in the back. It needs to stop. It needs to be able to stop. That's probably like 1 millimeter left of pad thickness here. So this is the pad, and then this is just the metal that the material of the pad sticks to, you know? So far just brakes, and then up front, there's a boost pipe that's leaking oil aggressively. We have to address that and fix that. Biggest reason to address oil leaks is that, one, your engine's running out of oil when your oil's leaking out. And then two, it could start covering other accessories such as the alternator, compressor, and it could lead to premature failure in the accessories. It could cause an engine drive belt to swell up and pop off, lead to a weed whack inside the engine bay and damage other components because of it. It's just not good to have an engine oil leak, especially over time. It'll start caking all over everything. So you want to take care of your oil leaks as soon as possible.